Tips to kickstart your diet. Dieting is hard and the results are often slow. But it is possible to lose extra weight with a few habit changes. First, and this one has been said many times before, you need to drink more water. Adding more water into the diet on a daily basis is essential to many types of weight loss. Even just replacing one drink, even juice, with water will improve your weight loss. Drinking more water will help curb your appetite and allow your body to flush toxins extra water weight without the need for expensive diet pills. Next, you will need to target your food intake. You may not need to change any of the foods you're eating, but you need to adjust how much you're eating or how you are cooking. While cooking, you should make sure to drain the excess oils and fats, especially if you plan to add sauces. You avoid canned fruits and vegetables as they have a lot of added salts and sugars. When possible, go for fresh vegetation, but frozen products are fine for quicker cooking and when buying out of season. Finally, you should adjust your portions. When eating from a large plate, you should make sure that your vegetables are filling as much space as possible. Protein should fill the next largest spot on your plate. Proteins will help keep you full without the excess calories, as long as they are not oily. The smallest section of your plate should be your carbohydrates. These are important to a well-balanced diet, but they should be eaten in moderation as they are very easy to accidentally binge on. Finally, if you find yourself falling away from your diet, try to reevaluate your goals. When you know what you want, you can begin to work towards them again. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.